OnePlus on January 7th finally released the much-anticipated OnePlus 13 series, which includes the OnePlus 13 and the OnePlus 13R. As much as the OnePlus 13 is impressive, the real mass-market product is the OnePlus 13R. Not only is it more affordable, but it also offers a good balance of features that most users will likely prefer over the OnePlus 13, especially if they're not interested in bleeding-edge technology. However, another device is rumored to join the value fray later this year: the iPhone SE 4, or possibly the iPhone 16e, depending on Apple's naming strategy. Leaks suggest that the iPhone SE 4 will deliver a flagship-grade experience, complete with AI-powered features, as noted by industry experts like Mark Gurman. When it finally launches, the comparison with the OnePlus 13R is bound to be intriguing. With plenty of details already emerging, here's our take on the upcoming matchup. The OnePlus 13R is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, which is also found in the OnePlus 12, last year's flagship. This chipset is no slouch. It competes with the best, including Apple's A18 chip, which powers the iPhone 16. While it may not run AAA titles like the A18, it can still handle games like BGMI at up to 120 frames per second, as seen in OnePlus's branding. So when it comes to performance, the OnePlus 13R holds its own. On the other hand, the iPhone SE 4 is expected to feature the same A18 chip, which means it'll also be no slouch. In fact, if Apple's generous, it may even allow users to play AAA titles, just like the iPhone 16, which can run games like Resident Evil 4 and Assassin's Creed Mirage. In terms of AI features, Oxygen OS 15 on the OnePlus 13R offers several impressive tools, such as AI Intelligent Search, which understands data across all device files and nodes. It also integrates Google Gemini and includes Circled Search, formerly a Pixel exclusive, Magic Compose, AI Detail Boost, AI Unblur, and Reflection Eraser, all designed to enhance photography, particularly when shooting through glass. As such, the OnePlus 13R is certainly well equipped in the AI department. How the iPhone SE 4 performs in this area remains to be seen. Expected to launch in April, according to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, the iPhone SE 4 may coincide with Apple's final release of AI features, including an upgraded Siri experience. The comparison will be intriguing, especially with features like cleanup and writing tools, Genmoji, and Image Playground. Apple's system-wide and on-device approach to AI also stands out as quite refreshing. In terms of size, reports indicate that the iPhone SE 4 could feature a 6.1-inch display similar to the iPhone 15 and 16 with slim bezels, giving it a more compact footprint than the OnePlus 13R. For context, the OnePlus 13R is equipped with 6.78-inch LTPO panel. The iPhone SE 4 isn't anticipated to include a higher refresh rate display, as the iPhone 16 lacks this feature too. Apple would likely avoid introducing it on a mid-range device to prevent market cannibalization. However, Apple's known for using high-quality displays even on more affordable models. The brand has previously delivered some of the finest IPS LCD screens, and it could repeat this with the iPhone SE 4, which is expected to feature an AMO LED panel.